Hello cookbook friends, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas. If you're new to our channel, thanks for stopping by. I'm going to do a cookbook review and quick look through of Under the Mediterranean Sun. I love Mediterranean food, so our channel's probably heavy on Mediterranean cookbooks, but we look through and review lots and lots of different kinds, especially baking books. Anyway, this is a food journey from Northern Africa to Southern Europe and the Middle East. Photography by Sven Benjamins, illustrations by Rosa Vitali, and the author is Nadia Zerouali and Marin Tall. I think I just butchered both of those names. I apologize. This came out in 2020, early 2020, Smith Street Books. I grabbed it from my local library. Let's check out the table of contents on this big, heavy book. Forward, the kitchen pantry, Maghreb, Morocco, Tunisia, Libya, Algeria, the Middle East and Levant, Lebanon and Syria, Palestine and Israel, Turkey, Southern Europe, Sicily, Andalusia, Sardinia, and Catalonia. Woo! I'm very excited about this one. Lots of love, Nadia and Marin. Okay, the kitchen pantry. Most international cookbooks have that section. I see something, I don't know what that is. Is that preserved lemons? Yep. Okay. Ooh, I see why they have an illustration credit here. Pretty. So let's get into, oh, here's someone climbing up to get some, I'm assuming, coconuts? I'm not sure. Or palm? Palm. Okay. Here's a beautiful cart with candles and dishes on it, like a buffet or something. Chapter 1, Maghreb. First big recipe of the book. Ready for it? It is tomato chutney with honey, sesame seed, and orange blossom water. Looks good. Keep going. Here is mafrouge. I might need to get glasses for this one. Is it bread or pancakes? Ah, this book is so heavy. Here's Mama Fadila's bread. That looks amazing. Here is our own Arabic flatbread. That looks like what I buy at Trader Joe's because I'm too lazy to make it myself, but now I have a recipe and I should try it at least once. Ooh, this is pretty. What's this? Preserved lemon chicken with ras al hanout and date and apricot vermicelli. Or vermicelli. I need to look up some terms. That's an Italian term. Okay. This is phyllo pastry tarts with mahalabia and medlars. Don't know, but it looks amazing. I gotta skip ahead because I can't show you the whole book. Oh, look at this. Sweet potato and caraway soup with argan oil. I don't know what argan oil is. I know what argan gas is. Spelled differently. Fried sardines with tremula. Semolina bread. I think we switched countries, but it's hard to tell and this book is heavy. Harira with cumin, celery oil, and poached quail eggs. Now we're in Tunisia. Okay, we move chapters. Ooh, this is fish couscous with potato, carrot, and spinach. I like this because it seems to be food that regular people eat. It's not like restaurant fancy food. It's what everyone's doing. Tunisian mint tea and coffee. Not sure how that's different than Moroccan, but if I could take time to look at the recipe, I'd know. But I'm busy because I have to show you spicy Tunisian chorba. Whatever that is. It looks amazing. Okay. Fresh ricotta with marinated fennel and capers. Let's keep going. Here's some street scenes, etc. like you get in these international cookbooks. Spicy stuffed potatoes with orange blossom water. How good does that sound? Whoa. Nice. Spicy zucchini with minced meat. And notice they don't say what kind of meat. I guess you use whatever. Okay. We're in the Sahara. Some people would say Sahara. I say Sahara because I'm in the Northwest. Libyan pasta with lamb and chilies. Bread and butter pudding with dates and orange blossom water. Okay. Let's keep going. Ooh. Saharan tea with zemetah. It looks like couscous to me, but I don't know what I'm talking about. Now we're in Algeria. Barley couscous with pumpkin, harissa, coriander, and spicy lamb meatballs. That is quite a meal. Quite a dish. Sweet couscous, which I've actually never had and should try making. How about, ooh, keep going. Now we're in Lebanon and Syria. Ooh, yum. Here's Nadia and Merlin's labneh. I'm going to try making this. I've never made my own labneh. I love it. I used to be able to get it at my local Whole Foods. They don't currently have any, so I'm going to make it. That looks amazing, and I'm going to put pistachios on top. Grilled eggplant with herbs, almonds, and tahini dressing. I'm going to skip ahead. Burgle salad with pomegranate molasses, roasted pumpkin, and pistachios. Look how beautiful that would be if you had a buffet and just set it on there. Your guests would be like, oh, especially on this cute serving dish. Footed pedestal. Baked eggs with warm garlic yogurt. That would be a fabulous breakfast. Or dinner. I think I moved countries now. Sorry. Oh, it says at the top, Lebanon and Syria. I have trouble seeing it because my ring light is so bright in my eyes. This is beautiful. Yum. This is aniseed yogurt with pomegranate molasses, pomegranate, and passion fruit, in case you didn't have enough pomegranate. Here is almond stuffed dates with pomegranate, orange blossom, and rose water. Okay, skipping ahead. Still in Lebanon and Syria. I appreciate that they have that on the top of every page. This is date and saffron afusa. Here is rose meringue with pomegranate seeds. Those are very crunchy. I accidentally put them in ice cream once. Here is sesame and poppy seed turban cake with rose jam. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And it looks like a turban. I love it. Next country is... I need glasses. I cannot tell. Let me take a look. Sorry, guys. Palestine and Israel. Okay. Whew. Whew. This is makuba with eggplant and herbed yogurt. And next up we have Fukharat Adas Gazan lentil stew with dill seed and chili oil. Okay, next time I'll wear glasses, but they don't look very good on me. Okay, we're still in Palestine and Israel. Blackened eggplant with labneh, oregano, and capers. Doesn't look appealing, but I bet it's delicious. Okay, we're moving countries. Now we're in Turkey. Let's see what we're going to be eating. Ooh, is that donuts? Don't know. It doesn't say. 3 Turkish meze snacks. Okay, what are they? They are pistachio spread, white roasted eggplants, and walnut salad with pickled chilies. Whoa. And here's vine leaf parsley stuffed with cherry tomatoes and sumac. Here is sarma stuffed with pistachios, figs, and pomegranates, whatever sarma is. Ooh, here's burger pilaf with broad beans and chickpeas. That would be great in autumn and winter. Whoa, look how pretty this is. It's called Ar-Kasir, and a little story about why they like it. So that's turkey, and this is sukuk pizzas with sumac and pine nuts. Okay, let's move countries again. Still in Turkey. Okay. Sicily. Okay. What do we have going on in Sicily? We have meaty white bean chickpea and celery stew, which I would make and omit the meat because I'm vegetarian. This is tomato and carrot gazpacho. Good for summer when you don't want to have hot soup. This is chickpea puree with migas. I thought migas were Mexican, but what do I know? Artichoke chips. What? What? That exists? I'm going to try that. That sounds really good and like a lot of work peeling and steaming and frying and blah. Slow roasted leg of lamb with wild herbs. That is not an appealing looking photo. I'm sorry. Herby fregola. Some things are just hard to photograph. Okay, now we're in Sardinia. Ooh, look at this. Yum. This is pane fratto and mazzamuri Sardinian style lasagna. Okay. Ooh, pretty. Sweet Sardinian treats. Ooh, saffron ice cream. Wouldn't be my first pick, but I would try it. Still in Sardinia. Bucatini with artichokes and something else that I can't read. Botarga. Here's clams in saffron and parsley broth. I bet clam lovers love it. Now, the last chapter of the book, Catalonia. Catalan, a region of Spain. Not very many recipes. Here is fish soup with something, red pepper paste and garlic picada. Oh, pretty dresses. Okay, we're getting a little tourist tour besides the recipes. This is a Côte de Boeuf with Pan Am, tomate, quince aioli, and almond aioli. Okay, that's too much going on. That's a hot mess. Can't do it. Okay, any last recipe I can show you? Nope, we're done. Wow. This has inspired me to go learn some more food terms so I pronounce them correctly and look up what these weird foods are. But holy crap, that's an amazing cookbook. Under the Mediterranean sun, so many dishes I want to go back and explore and learn more about and possibly make. I'm going to make the labneh. We are a cookbook blog. You're not going to see pictures of my labneh on our Instagram because we don't show pictures of food. We show cookbooks. So thanks for watching. If you would like, we have a podcast where we gossip and chat about new cookbooks. We post our videos on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, occasionally on Pinterest. And we have a website and blog with cookbook news, cookbookdivas.com. Bye.